All right, people, we got another one. I hope you all doing well out there, by the way. So right about now, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 DualSense controller to your Android phone, your Samsung series, and the whole lot. If you got any difficulty, if you got any difficulty connecting or pairing the device to your phone, feel free to ask me. I'll be more than pleased to help you out. Leave all your comment right down below. So without further ado, hey, before all that, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business. This is a watch and learn video. I'm not gonna be talking. I'm just gonna be demonstrating. So watch and learn, people. Let's do it. Bang, bang. Alright guys, as you can see, it works fantastically well. So I hope this was helpful, and if so, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here, and we love your support. As usual, keep it safe, keep it late, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do better, do it, people. Bang, bang. Peace out.